Hi friends, thanks for joining me. We're going to be doing another story time where we'll read the books and add in some signs and enhance our vocabulary and have so much fun learning. So today's book is called One. It is so cute. It's about counting and being part of a team. Back up a bit. Oh, there's Ruby's head. Hi, Ruby Bear. Okay, looks like there is one. Only one. Let's get up close. There we go. Oh, but now there are two. And now there are three. And now there are four. Look, and they all have their numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we are 5. Now 6. Now 7. Now 8. Let's see. And now 9. And now we are, there's our last friend, 10. But we know we are one. We work as a team. Very cute. Oh, and then there's a little snapshot of them all together in their team with a soccer ball, with a ball. Great job. Thanks for joining me. This was One. So cute. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I add more story times and more songs. Take care.